Okay, from Guildford now, this is RadioKillaZ with Harry Rox and Slave to the Rhythm, the remix. Tony RadioKillaZ met up with Harry Rox about 10 years ago. Harry was a fan of the breakbeat stuff Tony was making. They started collaborating a few bits over the years. This is one of them, Slave to the Rhythm.
You don't really want us, not you, yours. When they're dancing or go, it's what you do when you're with. You don't really want us, not you, yours. When they're dancing or go.
Filthy beats there from Guildford's RadioKillaZ, teamed up with Harry Rox, that is Slave to the Rhythm, and they've set up their own label together called Concrete Jungle Music, aiming at reviving the sound of 90s jungle with a modern day twist. Bring it on. Tony RadioKillaZ just released a whole load of new music along with a stack of collabs on the go. He's keeping going doing what he does at ACM in Guildford as well, working with the diploma students and continuing on a quest of smashing out jungle tracks. You keep on doing what you're doing. RadioKillaZ, spelt with an AZ at the end, on Instagram and Facebook at RadioKillaZ Music.